In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add button in Adobe Acrobat. If you want to make your PDF more interactive, adding buttons is a great way to do it. Buttons can help make forms easier to use, and Adobe Acrobat gives you a simple way to place and customize them directly inside your document. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat with the PDF you want to work on already open. Make sure you're in the correct document before you begin, especially if you have multiple files open. This will save time and help you avoid editing the wrong PDF. Once your PDF is on screen, go to the All Tools section. This is where Acrobat keeps the main editing and form-related features. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. The tool panels can vary slightly depending on your version of Acrobat, but All Tools is the place you need to access. From there, click on Prepare a Form. This option is used when you want to turn a regular PDF into an interactive form with fields, selections, and buttons. Acrobat may take a moment to switch into form editing mode, so give it a second if the interface changes. Next, click on Create Form. This tells Acrobat that you want to set up the current document for form elements. Once that mode is active, you'll be able to start adding interactive items to the page. Now look for the button option in the left-hand field or toolbar and select it. This is the tool that lets you place clickable buttons into your PDF. Buttons can later be edited for appearance and function, so at this stage you're mainly placing them where you want them to appear. After selecting the button tool, click anywhere on the screen where you want a button to be added. Each click adds a new button, so you can continue clicking to place as many buttons as you need throughout the document. Try to place them neatly and leave enough space around them so the form stays easy to read and use. Once your buttons are added, double-click each one. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you can customize the button. You can change the color, add a button label, and adjust the appearance so it matches the style of your document. This is an important step because clear labels and consistent formatting make your PDF look more professional and easier for others to understand. And that's how to add buttons in Adobe Acrobat. Take a moment to review your layout before finishing and make sure each button looks the way you want.